The time has proved. First of all, people were hesitant that is it correct how the vaccine can come so fast, because before this the fastest vaccine which has come is for mumps. It took 4 years.
Yeah.
Now within 11 months, that means actually if you ask me, within 10 days of knowing that there is some virus like this in China, US scientists have already decoded that SARS virus, and they started planning for the vaccination. And because of that, we have now vaccines which are almost so many, almost 12 vaccines are in use as of now. In India, we are having only 2 of them. One is Covishield and one is Covaxin. Covaxin is purely Indian made, while Covishield is Oxford AstraZeneca with partnership of Serum India of India. The production is most important production is in India, in Pune. But important part is, first there was a hesitancy. People also were asking when the vaccine will come, when the vaccine will come. Now when the vaccine has come, they are asking too many queries. Is it safe? Is it this? Is it that? See, we have got now sufficient data live on people. Forget about the scientific data. Now almost in and the side effects are minimum is 0.1. One thing you have to understand, that vaccine not only will give you some immunity, but it prevents you from second infection. You may get second infection, but at least the rate is extremely less. Getting hospitalization because of COVID also decreases. And also the third part is that the deaths due to this COVID is almost negligible. For example, I will give you a data of US. In the US, there were around 70 million people were vaccinated till now. Out of this 70 million, only 5,000 people got second time. Means again, in spite of having vaccination, they got only 78 people succumbed to the COVID. That means this vaccine is 99.99.99 success rate is there. Now 78 may be a number for us, but we want to save every man on this earth. We want to save every man and woman on this earth. But sometimes in medicine it is just not possible, because only those 78 families will know the importance of those deaths. For us it may be a scientific way, we were thinking in terms of number game. But for every death is a worrisome for us, because every death is causing misery to the family. He is a earning member of the family, he is a young child in the family, he is a wife who is it makes a suffering for that family huge, and it takes long time for them to come back to normal. So I think now it is proved beyond doubt that vaccine is a savior for us, and vaccine is the only thing which can prevent us.